can see out here driving in the streets. It is hot down here. I think today is 94, but feels like 100 degrees. Like that, I heard. Hey, everybody. I just came on for a hot minute because I've been doing these series and I want you guys to participate because I'm doing this for those of you who still need to fully get clarity on what your purpose and your passion is, or you want some assistance and support with operating, how to operate in your passion, in your purpose, and you want clarity about all of that, right? And so some of you, a lot of you who've been following me for a while know that I have a purpose passion work journal that I created that is in my academy, Get Your Life Back Academy. It's only $8. It's free when you sign up for the Purpose Passion Finder workshop. However, you can just still get the work journal by itself. But my announcement today is that I am doing a portion of my Purpose Passion Finder workshop class for free on this channel right here. And it actually started today at 10:30 a.m. I know it was like impulsive, last minute thought like, oh, I should do a couple of my coaching on helping you how to discover, uncover, recover your purpose, your passion. And so I did it this morning. I think I started late last night, and then this morning I uploaded the first video, but I'm doing it live. The videos are live on my channel right here, 10:30 a.m. from today, which is 18. So July 18, Tuesday, and I'm doing it from Tuesday to Friday, every morning at 10:30 a.m. My videos will go live, giving you strategies in how to discover and identify what your purpose and passion is so that you can operate in those things, and give you some tips and tools of how to actually do that. And so I'm so excited about that. So if you want to or need to or know somebody else who's really feeling like I need to know what my purpose and my passion is because it'll help me go forward in life, I'll know what to do. It'll help me make better decisions, who have those questions in your mind, because truly when you do know your purpose and passions, it informs you of how to move in life, right? The decision you need to make, the people you need to surround yourself, the people you need to delete from your life because they no longer serve you and they do not complement you where you going and who God called you to be, actually. And so all you have to do, subscribe, like the videos, like the channel, follow the channel, hit the bell so you can get notifications. So every time a new video uploads from tomorrow to Friday, you will get a notification. But you'll also be able to catch the replay now if you head right over. Well, you're already here. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, because I will show this on other social media platforms, if you're watching this on YouTube, all you got to do is go look for the first video talking about clarity. I'm talking about finding your purpose and passion with clarity. Okay, you can watch that one. It's only 27 minutes or so, and then be ready for the rest of them as well. And I want your feedback, please. I want your feedback. I want your commentaries. I'm looking forward to them as well. I want to see how it's helping you. I want to also find out what else you would need to know to help you get more clarity. Because I'll come back and do a follow-up, video as well, or series as well. So this is a 4-part series, and you can catch it right now. And I look forward to seeing you, and I look forward to hearing back from you as well. So I just wanted to give that little shout out. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, daytime, whatever time it is where you are, okay? All right now. Bye-bye.